This is a Panasonic 2-pole switch. Means it can carry two lines at the same time. Mostly it is used for garden light. So you can cut the line 1 and the line 2 together, which is much more safer than the single pole switch. Let's open it. Just be careful on lifting the locks. It might break. On my last video, I broke one. Just be careful so that it will not okay. There you are. These are the two contact which goes on and off. This one, this one are the contacts for the load side, line side. You can see the load side and line side here. There's a symbol which is smaller than the load side. So this is where you put the line 1 and the line 2 together. It will not short. It has a separator compartment, and these are the contacts. That is on, that is okay. So these are the spring. It is similar, but you cannot rotate it. So that's the other one. Can put this one on. So if this is the indicator which you toggle it, the contact should be on the other side, so that if you push this one, it will go like, if you push this one, let's put it back. See, make sure the spring are correctly aligned to the contacts. Then align the 4 locks. Make sure before you yeah. Okay. Okay, make sure before you push it down, it works properly before you lock it. Yes.
Sinalik mo din? Hindi na.
Bef